The SIMATIC Management Console is a great tool for centrally managing software administration and system inventory across one or multiple plants. The Management Console helps to address the traditional challenges of managing and maintaining many different PCS7 software components across multiple stations in the plant. Throughout the life cycle of the system, it becomes more and more difficult to keep track of the latest software releases. Software administration with the Management Console alleviates the extensive and time-consuming process of installing and updating PCS7 software. It also simplifies the system inventory tasks for hardware and software components of PCS7. New components are added over the plant lifecycle, such as I/O modules, client stations, and so forth, and the inventory data needs to be adjusted accordingly. Inventory of the PCS7 plant with SIMATIC Management Console greatly reduces the time and effort needed with inventorying these components in a traditional approach. It provides detailed inventory reports for an as-built system document and makes planning for system upgrades much easier.